Hello everyone and welcome to Abhishek Products, and this is Abhishek, and in today's video we are going to discuss about 12 special products that can help you run or improve your business using just a small inkjet printer. Well, today's video was inspired by two of my special customers, and their names are Mr. Syed from Bangalore, he's a travel agent, and another one is Mr. Mahesh, he's from Himayat Nagar, and he has a small Xerox shop near few schools in that area. And both of the customers had a similar problem, and they had contacted us via WhatsApp in a very professional manner, and they had sent us their visiting cards, and then they had given us the problem that, sir, we have this so and so business, and as there is lockdown and there is virus, our business is not running as it did before, and we need some new products, and these are the machines that we have. Do you have any products that you can suggest? And that got me thinking, and the conversation went on, and I suggested them 3 products, and I gave them individual video links for the same. And later throughout the day I got an idea that if 2 of them are facing this problem, probably few more across India, some of probably my customers would be also facing the similar problem. So I got inspired, and I began to make this video, and I began to list 12 products that we sell as Abhishek Products in Hyderabad across India to all the states. And this video is part 1 of a dual video series where we discuss about different kind of printing medias that you can use with your inkjet printer, a small inkjet printer, without modifying it or without putting any different kind of ink into it by violating its warranty. No, we are going to use just a small regular inkjet printer, and you can use these 12 kind of different papers to print different kind of products in it, and you can amplify your business or help bring your business back in track during this difficult time of the virus lockdown. So before we begin, thank you Mr. Mahesh and Mr. Syed, and please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, because it motivates us to get ahead of ourselves and do something new, and do something crazy by making all these kind of videos. And if you're not aware, we are also on Telegram, and description for which is in the link below. In Telegram, we come up with frequent updates on printing technologies that are used in small Xerox shop, DTPs, photo studios, printing presses and other binding shops. And the products that I'm going to show you in this video are the top 7 products that are very useful for any Xerox shop, photo studios or DTP centers. And in the part 2, we are going to discuss about products that are very specific to an industry, and you need to challenge yourself creatively in order to use those products. So those products are very special products. I call them special 5, and they are available in the part 2 of this video series. So let's begin. So as you know, the products that I'm going to show you are the top 7 products, and they can be used in any inkjet printer, whether it be it Epson, Canon, HP, Brother or anything XYZ. The only criteria is that you need to use the original ink that comes along with the printer. Why am I emphasizing on it? It is not because I am a Epson dealer in Hyderabad and I supply in Andhra and Telangana all the Epson printers. No, it's because when you use the original ink, you get the warranty, and moreover you get assured quality. Because if you use any other compatible ink for cost reasons, then the quality is not certain, and you are not sure whether the earlier batch had the problem, or the previous batch had the problem, or the coming batch is going to have the problem, or whether the problem is in the paper. So use the original ink. And now let us begin with our very first product. It's a very naive and a very old product. I think most of you would already have the knowledge about it. It is our humble photo paper. It comes in 4x6 and A4 size, and 130 GSM and 180 GSM are very 2 common popular sizes that are used. So we sell 4x6 or maxi size 180 GSM photo paper or PMS, and in A4 we sell CompuColor A4 130 GSM and 180 GSM.
So we are going to scan
I'm a distributor and a dealer for the Nova company 130 GSM photo paper. And if you require any of these products, you can contact us via the YouTube comments, or you can just go to my website and purchase them. And these are very common products. And where are they used? They are used in
we have 13
printing
passports.
small
We have scanned
Aadhaar
all of
cards,
them
voter
in
cards,
less than
PAN
30
cards. It's a very
seconds.
common product. You can even print small
One
passport size
quick
photographs,
demo
low
again.
cost
So
passport
this is
size
the
photographs in
barcode,
it.
this is the
And it's a
scanner.
very common product. Most of you would already know it.
You have to just
It was
align
just
them.
for the
That's
few
it.
customers who are going to start
It
the
is
business.
scanned.
They might not know about that.
So just
So now
imagine
let
the
us move on quickly
possibilities of
to
how
our product
fast and
number
how
2.
quick all your work is going to be.
RC coated photo paper. A few of you might not know about this product. This is RC coated photo paper by Novajet under the brand of Prismajet. So this Prismajet brand comes in 4x6 size and A4 size, and it is an RC coated. Now you might ask, Abhishek, what is RC coated photo paper? Well, RC coated photo paper is a special coating on a 270 GSM or a 220 GSM photo paper that makes it slightly water resistant, and it gives a high glossy finish to the product. So every time you go take a passport size photograph for any government application, it is printed on a RC coated photo paper. So if you want to start your business if you want to start your passport printing business in your regular Xerox shop or DTP shop, you can do that using any inkjet printer. All you have to do is just use this 270 GSM RC coated photo paper, and you're good to go. And the quality is fabulous, it is guaranteed, and it is a registered company, so you can be very certain about it. And we do recommend one printer for this. We recommend Epson 805, which is a 6 color printer, and we recommend this printer because it gives a very high color depth, because it's a 6 color printer, not a 4 color printer. The conventional printers in the market are 4 color, but since L805, 810, 850 are all 6 colors printers, and even L1800, Epson's only Epson brand I think has 6 color printers. So you can use these the printers which I just mentioned for printing this RC coated photo paper to get a higher edge on the quality. You can also use a 4 color printer like L130, 3110, or in HP you can use any of the GT series, or in the Canon you can use 2010, 3010, 4010, even 6010 is going to come next year. You can even print in that, but I just gave you a recommendation from my side. So now let us step up the game and move to product number 3. This is our sublimation paper. Now most of you might be familiar with sublimation paper, but for those of you who are not, sublimation is a process of transferring ink from the paper to the article. Now what is the article? The article can be a cup, a ceramic cup, a plate, a ceramic plate, that is, t-shirt, satin cloth, pillow covers, bed sheet, mobile covers, 2D mobile covers, or 3D mobile covers, and you can even print on MDF boards, keychains, small badges. The sky is the limit, so you name it. So the article needs to have a special coating, and the sublimation paper has a coating. So when you print it using your inkjet printer, you can transfer the print on this paper to your article, and this process is called sublimation. But there is a small catch. There is a small catch. When you're going to print this sublimation paper, you need to have sublimation ink. You need to have sublimation ink in your printer. So that's the catch. So if you have your existing printer and you're already using it for normal Xerox and normal photo studio printouts, you cannot disturb that printer. You need to buy a separate printer and then put in the sublimation inks. We supply sublimation ink, and we also supply the heat press machines, which is used along with this sublimation paper and sublimation ink in order to transfer the ink from the paper to the mugs, cups, t-shirts, or whatever item it is. We have made a detailed video about these sublimation process, this entire process. I have already made a sublimation video, and I think it was uploaded around 1 year ago. You can check the description and you can get the link, or you can just hit the I button and you can get the link, and you'll be diverted to that. Plus only do that after this video. Watch this video to the end first. इन केस आपको मेरी अंग्रेज़ी समझ नहीं आ रही है और आप धीरे धीरे समझने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, तो टेंशन मत लीजिए. ये सेम वीडियो मैंने हिंदी भाषा में भी बनाया हुआ, और हिंदी में ज़्यादा कंफर्टेबल हूँ मैं, और ज़्यादा अच्छी तरीके से एक्सप्लेन कर सकता हूँ. तो उसका लिंक भी मैं नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में डाल रहा हूँ. आप प्लीज़ वहाँ जाके हिंदी में देख लीजिए. मैं वहाँ शायद इससे थोड़ा बेटर एक्सप्लेनेशन दे पाता हूँ, बट इस वीडियो को भी आप पूरा देखिए, क्योंकि दोनों को हमने अलग तरीके से शूट किया है. सो मूविंग ऑन टू आवर प्रोडक्ट नंबर 4. It is one of the most innovative products that we have, and it is really creatively challenging for you to come up with even more applications for it. It is called inkjet transparent sheet. Now, inkjet transparent sheet, that's a mouthful, right? So what is this? This is an inkjet transparent sheet that we have printed, and I have put just a white paper in order to explain it to you what it is. So this is the sheet. We have multicolor print with gradient, and we have black clear text printed on it. So what are the applications of this sheet, and what kind of businesses can you run using this sheet? You can run many kind of businesses using it. You can do the trophy business, you can do the gift article business, you can make badges out of it, you can make in case you have some contact with this corporate gifting people and other custom gift people, then you can make custom gifts out of this sheet alone. And in case you run a book binding business, you might be familiar with this sheet. It is you might know OHP sheet, and you might get confused that this is OHP sheet, we can just print it on inkjet. I didn't knew that. No sir, this is not OHP sheet. Many of my customers get confused with it, and they put OHP sheet into the inkjet printer and their printer gets damaged. No, this is a 100 micron inkjet PVC PET sheet, which has a special coating on single side to print for inkjet printer. This sheet cannot be printed on two sides, it can only be printed on one side, and there is a method to understand on which side it can be printed, and I have made a detailed video on this sheet as well. I think it was 6 months ago. You can just go to my description or just hit the I button to divert yourself to that video, and you can watch it in detail. And in case you want to purchase this product, you can just go to my website or call us on WhatsApp, or just leave a YouTube comment section below. We'll try to contact you within 2 working days. So this video has this sheet has many applications. Only your creativity is the limit. And now we'll move on to our product number 5. Product number 5 is very popular. Many of our customers know it, and many of our customers have misunderstood it. So today I'll try my best to give you a clear idea. It is called a dragon sheet. So many of you are very familiar with dragon sheet, and some of you might know it as PVC sheet. Some of you in Northeast area especially, they call it as PVC core sheet or non-laminating sheet. And if you go in South, they simply call it as a PVC sheet. If you go to Delhi and Bombay area, they call it as a dragon sheet. So it is known by many names, and it's a complicated product, but it's a very well established and an old product. And many of the people across India today use this product in order to make PVC ID card, which looks just like an ATM card, lump sum, and you can make copies of Aadhaar card, PAN card, voter card, and other kind of government cards or school ID cards for your clients, and as then when they come to your DTP or Xerox center or photo studio centers. And the good thing about this sheet is that it works on a normal inkjet printer without changing the ink or without creating some modifications to your printer. So it's a very well established product, it's a very well aged product, but there is one catch, there is one problem with this sheet. I don't like there's just one problem with this sheet, and that is it fades. After 3 months of usage, the card that you are going to make from the sheet is going to fade, it's going to get dull, and it's going to have leakage of water within it if there is a rainy season. So it's an old product but not a great product. It's a good business but not a great business doing ID cards with this. So we have our product number 6 in order to tackle this problem. And the product number 6 is AP film. I think many of you might have already watched my video of AP film. So this AP film is a replacement technology for dragon sheet. Dragon sheet is old technology. AP film is just 3 years old technology, and based on 3 years old technology, and you can easily make ID cards using AP film. So first let us talk what is AP film. It is a waterproof, non-tearable, non-stretchable plastic PVC PET sheet that can be printed on an inkjet printer, Epson, Canon, HP, Brother, or anything, using the normal original ink without modifying the printer. And the best part about this sheet is you can't tear it. You can't tear it easily, not with your hands. And you can just print this sheet on any printer. Like I have tested it with Epson 130, 3110 and 805. I've tested it with just Epson because I'm an Epson dealer in Hyderabad. So I've tested it with these 3 printers, and I have dipped this entire sheet into the water for one entire day, and nothing happened to the sheet. The sheet did not get damaged, and even the color did not fade so much. So it's a very rough and tough sheet, right? It's a very rough and tough sheet, and the best part is you can print it on both sides. All the sheets that I've shown you till date or till now, and the sheets that I'm going to show you now, are all single side printable, but this sheet is double side printable. That means you can make ID cards that are double sided, two-sided ID cards. You can make it easily, and you can make PVC ID cards using this sheet. And there is a sticker version of this sheet coming soon in our part 2, so stay tuned and hit that bell icon so that you get notified. All right, so this sheet is so special. Why is it so special? Because you can also laminate it. You can do heat lamination, that is hot lamination on this sheet. When you do hot lamination to AP film, there is a special coating on the sheet that sticks to the lamination. In case you have made ID cards using photo paper and dragon sheet, you are aware that the lamination opens after a time. But when it comes to AP film, the story is totally different. You can even bend the card, you can even fold the card, but the lamination will not open so easily, and given normal circumstances, the card will easily last for 1 year. So if you're looking forward for ID card business, and if you want to do a retail business, then go for 4x6 size of AP film. And if you are a dedicated person who want to focus on ID cards, then I would suggest you go for the A4 size. So talking about ID cards, there is one more sheet called as the photo sticker, and that is our product number 7, right? So product number 7 is photo sticker. This is photo sticker. This is the sheet, this is the glossy printing side, and this is the back side of release paper. Now in case you guys who don't know what a release paper is, well, this is what a release paper is. A release paper is the waste paper that is stuck to the back side of the paper. So I have stuck my finger on it, and as you can see, it's a good strength paper. So it's a normal photo paper as I had shown you earlier, right? So this was the 130 GSM photo paper that I have shown you. Alright, this is just normal paper. Now on this paper, when you put backside sticker, it becomes photo sticker in simple terms, but there is some other angles also. So this is a tearable sticker. You can tear it. Alright, so it's a tearable sticker, and it is water resistant. That means it is 50% waterproof, not full waterproof. And this sticker comes in 2 thickness, 130 GSM and 180 GSM. What is the application of photo sticker? How can I use it with my inkjet printer without any modification and with using the original ink? Well, for that question there is a very good answer, and the answer is that I have already made a detailed video on photo sticker, and there is a description. If you go to the description, you will find the link to open that video and watch it in complete detail. I have made around I think 4 to 5 videos just on photo sticker and its applications. But to give you a short summary, you can use this photo sticker to make ID cards, badges, keychains, labels. If you have a showroom, you can use it for MRP, you can use it for display names. You can, if you have a temporary location where you want to put name banners or name tags for your doctors or some other employees or some teachers, you can do that using this photo sticker, and your imagination is the limit, because you can do anything that you require or demand as per the the client demand. You can change the design and make it something else. So it's a product that can, to an extent challenge your imagination, and if you have good Photoshop and CorelDRAW skills, then you're going to love the products that I'm going to share with you in the part 2 of this video. The part 2 of this video will be uploaded soon, and I'm calling those products as the special 5. So, but before, as promised, I was going to share 12 products with you, and I've shared 7 products with you in this video. The rest of the 5 will be shared in the part 2, and I hope I have delivered a good quality content to you, and I have delivered some value by providing some information and insight to you on the ways that you can expand your existing business with your existing investments. What is your existing investment? Your inkjet printer, which is just available in the market for around 8,000, 10,000, 12,000 range. You can get a decent inkjet printer, and my request is, please, when you buy an inkjet printer, please buy an ink tank printer. Don't buy an inkjet printer. Ink tank printer is a variety of inkjet printer. So basically what happens in the ink tank printer is, it has a around 70 ml or 200 ml ink tank in it, and you don't need to refill it again and again, so that the quality and the maintenance is maintained for a very long time in the printer. And generally all the printers comes with 1 year warranty, so it's a very standard product. And we ourselves sell inkjet printers. You can contact us at our Hyderabad office, or else you can just walk into our office in case you are already a Hyderabad resident. As of October and November 2020, the printers are in heavy shortage. So if you're planning to buy an inkjet printer, I would suggest you do that in December, when the prices of the inkjet printer are in a discount for about rupees 1000 each. So that's just a small update. You might not worry about it, but in case you have any doubts, any queries, you can just go to the YouTube comment section, type in all the Ramayana and Mahabharat over there, and tell us about yourself, and so that we can give you a better product suggestion. Or else if you have any sales inquiry for this product, you can type into the YouTube comment section. We will share you our website, e-commerce website link over there, and we can also share you our YouTube, our WhatsApp number over there. I would like to request you guys to please not share your personal or official or commercial contact details in the YouTube comment section, because it's dangerous and there are many different kind of frauds and data leaks that are going on across the world. So it's a very safe practice, so that you guys please don't share your contact details in the YouTube comment section. We will share our details, you contact us, so that you are safe at least, because it's not a kind world outside. So please bear that in mind. And in case you're not aware, we are also on Telegram, where we post these kind of product updates regularly, and we have different kind of Cordra and Photoshop template files for different kind of applications, and we post all those files over there regularly. So you can feel free to just check out the Telegram channel and subscribe to it if you must. And if you have any queries, feel free to please message us. Thank you.